you so much for joining us at Kagent.com. We are going to give you a brief rundown on how to set up your first listing for your open house. Once you've got your subscription in place, you're very simply going to go to your agent dashboard. So as soon as you come in, you log into your account, you'll go to your profile pic here, click that arrow going down, and you can either go to settings to edit your pre-tour questionnaire. But for now, we're just going to set up how to do your first listing so you can print out your flyer or download your QR code to add to your existing flyer. Okay, so go to dashboard, which is where we're already at. We're going to hover over these three dots right here. I've already edited the address. Okay, so since we're using a fake address, it's not going to have the street number show up, but once you put in an actual address, it will show up here. You hover over it again, and you're going to edit the photo. Okay, and so we're just going to select whichever one we like. Right, we're going to go ahead and save that. And it's just loading and preparing the QR code so that you can go ahead and print this out. Or once again, so you can either print out the visitor facing display, or you can get a copy of this link so that you can have it on your iPad. We suggest printing out maybe 2 or 3 of these on any type of paper that you'd like. You can post it up around the house. I've seen agents put it at the front door, especially if we got lines, long lines of people trying to get in. You can put it inside as soon as you walk in the door. Have it in a very prominent place so that the visitors know where to go and scan. Give them a quick instruction. Hey, our clients would like to keep track of how many people have showed up in the house. Can you please scan this with your phone, and you'll be able to sign in on your tour around the property. Okay, so once again, that's how you get to your forward-facing display. You'll just either print this out, download it. Okay, now we're going to go back and hover over once again, and we're going to download the QR code only. Okay, now do this only after you have edited your post-tour survey questions. Okay, so we're just going to assume that we did that. Download the QR code. Okay, and this is basically what's going to show up. And this QR code you can add to your existing flyer either through Pages or any type of flyer service that you use. You'll just basically plug this in somewhere around there so it's visible. And I think, as big as a quarter or maybe even a nickel size should be enough for the phone to pick it up. And then one other thing here, just before we go, we're going to edit our post-tour survey. Okay, actually, let's go ahead and do a digital flyer. So if you have a link of somewhere that you want to send them to, once they complete the questionnaire, they're going to get an email follow-up. You can put a link of your choice on here and either have it go to the listing itself. You can put that in there, and that's what they'll find. Or you can put to your YouTube video of the property. Any link that you want to send them to, you'll just plug that in right there and then push save. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now once they're done, they'll be able to scan it. And I'll do a separate video on that so you can see how that process works and what it looks like once they get communication. But essentially, after they've completed it, you're going to get a notification pretty quickly that they've completed out the pre-tour survey questions, and you'll have their immediate information sent to your phone, which you'll be able to download by viewing the visitor responses. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick demonstration on that. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the QR code. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and sign in real quick. Okay, do a text. I'm going to say that I'm a real estate agent. Am I looking to sell my house? Yes, I am. Okay, and so I'm signed in here, and you see as soon as I did that, immediately get the visitor response.